Hello, hi, how are you?
Hi, you good?
Take a seat, please, Atul. How are you today?
Yeah.
Thank you for taking time for a performance appraisal.
Yeah.
How are you finding your new department?
Truly speaking, I'm not finding it very good. I'm not finding it more interesting.
Okay.
And,
Do you miss your medicine team?
I really miss my medicine team, and I would like to go back.
Okay, no problem. We will discuss, today we are here to discuss about your performance in last 6 months, and as record shows, you're a very good performer. You've been with company for a really long time, so I appreciate that, and I understand you're one of our strong employees. So I have a full confidence in you that everything is fine, and you are performing. Your performance was really well until June. So the reason for this meeting today, Atul, is in last 6 months we have shown the graph has gone the other way in your performance. So we will be just discussing about why the performance is this way and what is happening. Is there any particular reasons about it? So it's just a normal discussion. Feel free, open to tell me everything. I am here to help you out in every single possible way which I can. So I will be asking you a few questions, and you can answer that. Then we can discuss about everything, like how you are feeling, and what we are thinking about your performance, and how we can help you to improve, how we can give the edge to your performance for a betterment. Okay, are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to it, but since you say that, yeah.
Okay, I understand how you're feeling at the moment, but just take it as a normal discussion between me and you, as don't take it like a stress or anything. We will be just discussing what's happening and what we can do to help you out in every possible way.
I have a meeting in 15 minutes, so if you could
Yes, of course, definitely. So
keep a watch on the time.
yes, yes, I will. So perfect. So as I told you, our aim is to here today to discuss exactly what's happening, and we will be reviewing your performance in last 6 months. Secondly, I will be going through your graph for last 1 year and 6 months. How was your performance back then, and how is your performance now? And then we will be discussing more about the steps we require to take to improve your performance, or to give you more help, or to understand the reasons behind it and take required steps. Yeah. So if you can tell me a little bit, how are you, how do you think this new department or this new atmosphere is working for you?
I'm not really interested now. I don't feel like working now in this department. Due to my personal reasons or some other reasons, but back in my old department, I knew the customers, but now I don't know the customers and all these things. So how?
Okay, I understand
I'm not
that.
really happy with the
Overall products.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though they give us training, but I'm not sure comfortable with things.
So do you think you require more training with the beauty products?
No, I know most of the things, but I still feel uncomfortable selling them.
Okay.
Anyway, if I don't know them well, it's a little bit difficult to sell them. And apart from them, I'm personally not paying well.
Okay. So okay, no problem. So when you say you're not happy working, what exactly do you implies to? Like, are you not happy with a particular member of team, or are you looking for more training, or are you looking to switch departments? Are you looking, are you looking for more training, or are you looking, are you looking for more training, or are you looking to switch departments? Are you looking, are you looking for more training, or are you looking to switch departments? Are you looking to switch departments? Are you looking for more training, or are you looking to switch departments? Are you looking What exactly?
I'd be happy if I switch the departments and
Okay.
get back to my own department and go back for whatever.
Okay. Let me just tell you one thing, Atul. We thought you are the best performer what we had in our medicine team, and at that time the beauty product sale was going a little bit down. So we thought, why not bring a strong member of team in a beauty department to help the team to grow. The reason behind why we ask you to move to beauty department is just to pass on your expertise to them. So it's not, we believe in you that you have that potential, you can do it. So that's the main reason why we ask you to move. I understand that's a little bit, that was out of shell, and you might have felt that that it's not really fair with you to change department suddenly, but you, as I said, you are a strong member of team, and that's what we want to pass on to other teams as well. That was the main reason why we ask you to move department. Other than that, I acknowledge that you are saying that you are not getting enough training on the products and services what you are providing. So I would definitely make a note of it, and then we can go through the steps what we can help you in gaining more experience about the products and the services. But rather than that, for example, if we give you the training and the services and everything what you require, do you think you will perform what you are performing 6 months back?
See, I want to improve my performance. I don't want to keep on
That's really good.
But
good.
what the thing is, like, I think I have a strong customer base back in medicine.
Okay.
I don't know anyone over here, so
Okay.
it will be obviously I would perform well more into medicine rather than over here because I know people over there.
Mm-hmm. When it comes to knowing customers, and of course that is very, very important that you give a personalized touch to your service. But when you started in a medical department, at that time you didn't know anybody. So you actually started from scratch, and then you develop your customer service. So I am not expecting you to start from scratch in here, but I would definitely suggest that you should work with like everybody in the team, and then you should help them, and you should pass on your experience to them, and at the same time learn something from them which they already have. Like they might have some good relationship with any customer, so you can definitely talk to them, ask them, mingle a little bit with your team. That's what I would suggest at the moment. I am not saying I am not really looking into the area where I'll be changing a department or anything, but definitely we'll look into it in the future. But I really want you to focus on the sales and focus on the beauty department at the moment. So shall we take a look at the records what's showing us in last 6 months? So here I have the key performance indicator of all the departments, like all the operations. First is operation, then call conversion and customer satisfaction rating. You've been doing exceptionally well in all the departments until June 2013, and in June you got moved to beauty department, and then also you were doing absolutely perfect. Yes, I understand that. So you, even if you were moved to beauty department, you were doing exceptionally well there as well. But in last 6 months, the performance has weakened. So I just want to know a little bit in detail, like, are you exactly looking for any particular training for any particular product, so that I can make a note of it and we can give you that training accordingly?
Not really, I'm not looking for any particular training, but still I am not used to the product, so one overview would be good.
Okay,
if I could get
so
some.
okay, definitely, that's perfect. But how do you feel about your how you are performing in this new department? What do you feel about yourself?
I think I can perform, and I'm giving.
Sure, you are trying as well. Yeah.
Giving what I can, but it's just that I'm not able to focus because of my personal issues and things. So
If you want, I can also put the request for any particular
I'm looking forward to
consultants
holidays. I'm looking forward to holidays.
to India. Yes, you told me about it that you are planning to go to India, which is very good. It's one of the fascinating countries
So I
in
think
the
that would
world.
be one of the
Yes, definitely. Yes,
just to change of atmosphere would
Yeah.
be a difference.
yes. Let me see what else we have here. So I understand that you said you require more training regarding products and services. So why not we'll put down what actions we are taking to improve the performance. So you said you require first training. Anything else you think which you would like me to do?
I can't see anything. You, the manager, can think of anything right now.
I personally think, as looking at your performance, it was amazing, really amazing. That if we have given you the target of 100, for example, if we have given you the target of 100 number of calls to be done in particular month, you have always done 110, 120, and the graph was always up. So I see no particular reason why your performance should not be same. Well, of course, it's a new department and it's a new atmosphere for you, but when it comes to your own capabilities and your own competencies, I think you are the best employee. And you were doing very well, and you still can do it. I am 100% sure about it. So we just need a little bit more input from you, a little bit more feedback from you, saying that okay, I require the training from particular area. So we can provide you that, and you will still be a amazing performance in this team as well.
Yeah, that would be fine, but this training would not be a thing. Something else if you could help me out with.
Yeah, we can do coaching as
I'm
well.
worried about my bonus now.
Okay.
I believe we will get some kind of bonus.
Okay, we will go to that point in a minute. Let's just focus on what we want to do.
Because since I'm not feeling very motivated, so
You are not okay. So, what do you think it will? What do you think it's the motivation factor for yourself? What do you like? How do you want us to shape, or what do you think about it? If you have any ideas, you can. It's very good to ask you rather than me coming up with something and then that's not a motivational factor for yourself. So if you can tell me what you like and what you expect, then I can definitely make a note of it, and I can have a word with the senior management regarding that.
money would be one of the factors of yourself. Or I don't know.
No problem. That's absolutely fine. So I think what we can do, we can take as an action is we can provide you with more training. We can give a particular product coaching, one-to-one coaching to you to understand how the sales of beauty product works, and how to do that in a particular way to come back to your own original level where you were 6 months back. So we can do that. And what do you think as an employee, what actions do you think you will be taking after this meeting? How do you think it's useful for you to talk to one-to-one with me? Do you think after this meeting, how are you feeling, and what things you will be doing when you go back to your desk?
I will be seeing what can I do for communicate with the department, get along where to achieve the targets.
Okay. So you will focus on achieving the targets. And then of course you'll be working with team to know them in a better way. Just what else, Atul?
Yeah, I think that would be
Okay, no problem. That's fine. So now coming on to your bonuses. Personally, I feel that's something what me and senior management has to discuss first. But I could assure you that being our oldest employee and your performance was always been good, so you don't really have to worry about the bonuses. As a company, we always look for our employees and we always take care of them. That's as well. I hope you do. So we'll definitely, I'll discuss that and I'll get back to you on that point. Is there anything else you want to discuss
No,
or you
it's
want to
fine.
ask? Perfect. So just to sum it up quickly. Give me just one moment. Just to sum it up quickly, this meeting, I just wanted to say that today we discuss about your performance. I understand the points what you were talking about regarding the team, regarding the products and the training and the coaching and everything. So I understand that, but I would hope that at the same time it's same beneficial to you as well. So I hope that you understood what my aims and objective was and how far have you achieved them. Do you think it was beneficial for you? Do you understand what we started getting it done? Do you think yes? Okay. So that's it. I think I will pass on everything to HR manager and we will get back to you. I will personally get back to you on the bonuses and everything. But Atul, please feel free to ask me any questions, anything you require. As we are the sales-based organization, we have to be enthusiastic. We have to be, and you are one of our little star, shining star of this company. So I'm sure everything will be absolutely fine in few days. So I'm looking forward to that performance from you. I expect that from you as a team member. And thank you very much for coming in. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thanks. Bye.